Die casting is a manufacturing process that involves the creation of metal parts by forcing molten metal into a mold cavity under high pressure. This process is commonly used in the production of complex metal parts with high accuracy and consistency. The die casting process involves several steps, including the creation of the mold, the melting of the metal, the injection of the metal into the mold, and the cooling and solidification of the metal. The resulting parts are then removed from the mold and finished to the desired specifications. Die casting is a popular manufacturing process in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and electronics, where high-quality metal parts are required. The process is particularly useful for creating parts with complex shapes and intricate details, as the mold can be designed to produce parts with high accuracy and consistency. Additionally, die casting is a cost-effective process, as it allows for the production of large quantities of parts at a relatively low cost. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts using a variety of manufacturing processes, including die casting. The company has extensive experience in the design and production of high-quality metal parts for a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, and electronics. Berkness Company is committed to providing its customers with the highest level of quality and service, and is always looking for ways to improve its manufacturing processes and capabilities. If you are interested in learning more about die casting and how it can be used to produce high-quality metal parts for your business, we encourage you to visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. Our team of experienced professionals is always available to answer your questions and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing needs. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you achieve your manufacturing goals. FAQs. 1. What is die casting and how does it work in manufacturing? Die casting is a manufacturing process that involves injecting molten metal into a mold cavity under high pressure. The mold is typically made of steel and is designed to create a specific shape or part. Once the metal has solidified, the mold is opened and the part is removed. Die casting is commonly used to produce complex parts with high accuracy and consistency. 2. What are the advantages of die casting in manufacturing? Die casting offers several advantages in manufacturing, including high production rates, excellent dimensional accuracy, and the ability to produce complex shapes with tight tolerances. It also allows for the use of a wide range of metals and alloys, including aluminum, zinc, and magnesium. Additionally, die casting can be automated, which can help reduce labor costs and increase efficiency. 3. What are some common applications of die casting in manufacturing? Die casting is used in a variety of industries, including automotive, aerospace, electronics, and consumer goods. Some common applications include engine components, transmission parts, housings for electronic devices, and decorative trim for furniture and appliances. Die casting is also used to produce parts for medical equipment, such as surgical instruments and prosthetics. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.